Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Sociology 3-in-1. In today's lecture, we will discuss about the concept of social stratification, its types and characteristics. So let's start. Social stratification refers to the categorization of individuals or groups into different levels based on social characteristics such as wealth, income, education, occupation, and social status in society. This results in unequal distribution of resources, opportunities, and privileges among different groups in society. Social stratification can lead to social inequality and can also be a source of power and privilege for some individuals or groups who creating disadvantages for others in society. Now we will discuss some main characteristics of social stratification. First, this is hierarchical. This is a system that is organized in a hierarchical manner. This means that people are divided into various social classes based on their income, wealth, and socioeconomic status. This is persistent. Social stratification is persistent across generation. It is not something that can be eliminated by an individual, but rather a complex system that determines one's social status and opportunities. Socially constructed. Social stratification is not based solely on individuals' qualities such as talent or hard work, but it is also socially constructed, meaning it is influenced by societal norms, cultural beliefs, and values. Inequality. Social stratification creates unequal distribution of resources, power, and opportunities among individuals and groups within a society. Those with greater access to resources, power, and opportunities tend to have higher social status and vice versa. It is universal, a phenomena found in different societies, although the specific patterns and level of inequality varies among different societies. It is not limited to a particular society or culture. It is multidimensional, involves multiple dimensions or criteria such as income, education, occupation, and social class. These dimensions are interrelated and impact one's social status. Social stratification is often viewed as a legitimate and necessary aspect of society. So, legitimacy is another characteristic. This means that some people may view it as fair and just, while others may see it as unjust and discriminatory. Now, we will discuss different types of social stratification. The first one is caste system. In this system, individuals are born into a particular social group or caste, and their position in society is determined by their birth. One's caste is determined by their family's social status and religion. The clergy and nobility have higher social status and political power than the commoners people in society. The state system. In this system, society is divided into three different states: the clergy, the nobility, and the commoners. Class system. In this system, individuals are ranked according to their economic and social position in society. Class is determined by factors such as income, wealth, occupation, and education of the people. In this system, individuals are ranked based on their abilities, talent, and achievements, meaning meritocracy. Those who exhibit exceptional skills or intelligence are given higher status and social standing. Gender and role stratification. In this system, individuals are categorized based on their gender or race and their positions in society is women and people of color may face disadvantage and discrimination due to societal prejudices. Main theories of social stratification. Functionalism suggests that social stratification is necessary for society to function efficiently. It is based on unequal distribution of resources that motivates people to work hard and achieve success in life. It rewards those who contribute the most to society, which ensures that the most qualified individuals have access to the most important position in society. Conflict theory. This theory views social stratification as being the result of power dynamics and struggle between social groups in society. It argues that those in positions of power use their influence to maintain their advantage, often at the expense of those in lower social classes. The status that an individual holds is determined by their ability to perform their role in society, and the way others treat them is a result. Weberian theory. This theory combines elements of both functionalism and conflict theory. It suggests that social stratification is based on three factors: class, power, and status. While these are interrelated, they can operate independently of each other, creating complex social hierarchies. Feminist theory. This theory argues that social stratification is not only based on economic class, but also on gender, race, and other intersecting social categories. Women in minorities are often unfairly disadvantaged and marginalized in society, making it difficult for them to achieve equal opportunities in society.